magkwentuhan with the mega daughter, Casey Concepcion. Case!
Yes, Tony, I'm here.
Yes. Pero alam mo, Case, kasi you took a break from showbiz for a while. And you've been very selective sa mga projects na ginagawa mo, hindi ba? Why?
Mm-hmm. No, I wouldn't call it a break naman. I mean, I've been busy online. I've been busy. I've been connecting with my fans, yung mga supporters ko. I've not disappeared. But, you know, I think siguro it was already 10 years na I've been back since Casey from Paris to Pinas and the teleseries, X Factor, and wala pa naman akong asawa, wala pa naman akong anak. So I thought that it would be a good time to do new things like after Ikaw Lamang, after yung movie ko na Boy Golden, after doing all these wonderful shows with ABS, parang it came to the point na I wanted to try to do new things that I felt kung magta-teleserye, alam nyo naman yung schedule natin. It's just that if you want to open a business and you want to learn something new, you need time.
Pero ano yung pinaka-namimiss mong gawin? Movies, hosting, singing?
I think
ano
hosting. I think definitely where I started with you, diba? We did shows together. I miss hosting a lot kasi I love to learn about yung mga gusto kong makipagkwentuhan sa mga tao. Gusto kong naririnig yung mga pinagdaanan ng ibang tao, and ABS talagang gives us a chance to do that. Kaya, di ba, mahal natin yung network na to kasi they really go sa lahat ng mga kwento ng Pilipino. And sila rin yung nagturo sa akin as a host, as a person, kung paano rin makirelate sa mga taong hindi naman kaparehas ng mga pinagdaanan ko or kinalakihan ko. And talagang nag-open yung mind ko sa mundo because of my job.
But what about movies? What is it that you miss most about acting?
I miss ganun din. I miss learning about another person's life. Pag nag-acting kasi you have to study that person, kung ano yung pinagdaanan niya, ano yung magiging reaksyon ng taong ganun yung pinagdaanan, and you have to bring that to life.
Pero for you, speaking of movies, ano yung pinaka-favorite movie mo na ginawa mo? Or let's say unforgettable for you?
Yung very first, of course. Kasi wala pa akong alam sa
for the
buhay
first
camera.
time.
Yeah. Oo.
Yes.
Nasa Santorini, nasa Greece, nakaganda-ganda, na taga-GMA nung time na yon, yung leading man ko, and ABS ako, like through and through, fully bred, diba? And first movie na binigyan ako ng opportunity to have. So, I think that started a lot of things.
Hindi kasi...
And through, fully bred, diba? And first movie na binigyan ako ng opportunity to have. So, I think that started a lot of things.
Hindi kasi, Case, ang usapan natin today is about pagpapakatotoo. And alam naman ng lahat yan, you grew up in the public eye, having celebrity parents, Gabby and Sharon, the most celebrated love team of their generation, di ba? But for you, what's the best advice your parents gave you about being true to yourself?
I think it's really just keep going. Just don't, kasi dati there was a time na be careful, alam mo yon, mag-ingat ka kung anong ginagawa mo, mga tao nanonood, every blink, every breath, people are watching you. But then meron siyang shift na siguro tinodo ko, like sobrang natakot na akong magkamali. Nakita ng mom ko. So I think biglang nagkaroon ng shift na, you know what, just do what makes you happy. You know what? Huwag mo nang isipin yung iisipin ng tao because life is short.
Yes. Pero Case, gusto namin malaman, may instance ba na kailangan mong itago yung totoo sa sarili mo to protect yourself or your family?
I can say na natuto na ako to wait and to choose.
Yes. And you know, Casey, yes, what to share. Diba?
Yeah.
I always tell you this nung sa The Bus. Sabi ko, grabe, hindi ako makapaniwala na I'm working with you, na you're also my friend now. Because diba, I told you, nung nasa school pa lang ako, bata pa lang ako, kilala ka na naming lahat. Ikaw si Casey Concepcion.
Tony,
Diba?
grabe ka.
No, from being a girl, you transition into becoming a woman that you are right now. You're so empowered, you're so strong, you're independent. And we've seen your journey, we've seen the heartbreaks, and you've come out of it stronger and better.
Yes!
Yes!
Thank you.
Nakita natin lahat yan. Eto na kasi may hanging question tayo kanina. Ito talaga
Ano
babalikan
yan?
natin. Yung kanina,
Okay.
yung sinabi natin. Kasi, di ba, your mom has been very public recently with her post on her IG series on how much she loves you. Ang gusto malaman ngayon ng publiko is how is your relationship with your mom?
I think right now we're good. There are a lot of things families go through. I
Yes.
mean, hindi naman ako nag-iisa.
Mhm.
Aminin nyo na, kayo
Yes.
rin, may mga
Yes.
problema kayo sa pamilya ninyo
Yes.
or may mga pinagdadaanan kayo kung hindi sa magulang, sa asawa. So,
Yes.
hindi ako naiiba sa inyo.
Yes.
Ganun talaga. Pero, hindi naman yun, hindi siya life or death na situation. Mas marami pang importanteng bagay sa mundo na kailangan. My mom and I love each other very much. And I know that her love for her children, yung very, pure yung love niya sa amin. My mom and I are so okay. I love her so much, and I will always I will always pray for her own happiness kasi wala na ako sa bahay nila matagal na, and pinapalaki niya yung mga kapatid ko sa stepdad ko. So I just want them all I want them to grow up with so much love and so much happiness in their house.
Let's talk about here, the heart.
Okay.
The
The
status
heart.
of the heart, yes. Kamusta ba ang lagay ng puso
Heart.
ni Casey Concepcion? Lagyan natin ng
Ano
category.
naman?
Okay, are you in love, inspired, in a relationship?
Grabe. ABS-CBN na talaga nga ito.
Ano
I
na?
forgot.
Oh,
Kung sa heart, okay naman ako. I mean, may mga kausap ako, and thank you Lord, di ba, na
I'm
kinikilig
sure
ako,
maraming lumilito.
ganyan.
Oh, so ang puso ni Casey ngayon ay kinikilig. Casey Concepcion, kinikilig. Alam mo yan, Tito Boy.
Huwag na, kasi syempre ang hanap natin ngayon, yung medyo mas deeper, yung gano'n,
Oh.
yung hindi na yung for play.
Hindi na dito. Dito na.
Sasabihin ko sa inyo, pagdating ng time na alam ko na. Promise.
So right
Promise
now,
talaga.
alam mo na gets na kita. Ngayon, because now that you're a woman, alam mo na yung for public consumption and alam mo na yung for yourself. I think the love life and the love department is something that you are close for business, for public right now.
Yan ang kaibigan. Thank you.
So,
Thank you so much.
Okay. O, eto na lang. Since kanina kasi pinag-usapan natin yung mga pelikula, and I'm sure yung mga supporters mo, yung mga fans mo, isa yan sa mga nire-request nila sa'yo. Mapapanood ka nila uli sa big screen. Mapapanood ka nila uli sa teleserye. Para sa'yo, sino yung 3 kapamilya leading men na tumatak sa puso mo?
So talagang ang number 1 dyan, yung totoo talaga, si PJ. Because,
Okay.
oo, kasi, dami
Iba yung
namin
naging samahan.
pinagdaanan.
Oo.
Oo. Tsaka alam mo, naging magkaibigan talaga kami. And alam ni PJ na talagang I cared about him. Kaya rin ako, alam mo yun, hanggang ngayon, alam niya na I worry for him.
Okay, PJ, number 2 leading man.
I think nagka-work kami ni Sam more than twice or something.
Dahil nag-soap pa kayo.
Tropa ko siya. Tropa talaga. So, I mean, yeah, I would say Sam also. Kasi we lived in Bukidnon for almost 1 month for shooting. Well, of course, si Richard Gutierrez, of course, because he was my very
Richard
first
Gutierrez.
film.
Thank you very much, Casey, for joining us today. We learned so much from you. And we're so happy. And we are celebrating the woman that you have become.
Thank
You continue to inspire us with your talent, and your beauty never fades. Thank you very much for the inspiration na hinatid mo sa amin today, Casey.